In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set 1-inch margins in Google Docs. Margins control how much empty space surrounds your content on the page, and getting them right is essential for clean, professional documents and for meeting formatting requirements. I'll walk you through the most accurate method using page setup, and then show you a quick way with the ruler for on-the-fly adjustments. First, let's use page setup, which is the most precise approach. Start by opening your Google Docs document. Look to the top left corner and click File. In the menu that opens, choose Page Setup. A window will pop up with margin fields. Type 1 for top, 1 for bottom, 1 for left, and 1 for right. These values represent 1 inch on each side. When everything looks correct, click OK. Your document now has 1-inch margins on all sides. This method is reliable because it applies exact measurements, so you don't have to eyeball anything or worry about slight misalignment. If you want every new document you create to start with 1-inch margins, you can make this your default. While you're still in the page setup window, click Set as Default before you press OK. From then on, new documents will automatically use these settings, saving you time and keeping your formatting consistent without any extra steps. Now, if you just need a quick adjustment, you can use the ruler. First, make sure the ruler is visible. Go to the View menu and click Show Ruler. You'll see gray margin areas and small markers along the ruler. Click and drag those gray margin markers until they align at the 1 mark. Do this for the left and right margins along the top ruler, and for the top and bottom margins using the side ruler if it's available in your view. This method is fast and handy for small tweaks, but it's less precise than the page setup window because you're aligning by eye. If you need to meet exact requirements, page setup is still your best bet. That's all you need to set 1-inch margins in Google Docs, either with perfect precision or with a quick manual adjustment. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.